Mendan?
I'm Arantega, sir. Dr. Arantega, veterinary surgeon, Tulur Mendan, sir. And Mendan for Route 2, sir.
Okay, so you are in the route 8. Yeah. So you are going to collect milk very close to Secretariat also. Okay. Yeah.
Good evening, sir. Assistant Manager, sir. K. Kishore, sir. Doma, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Number 7. A special project for this.
Easy for information.
Okay. Good. You are good guess. But one more thing I will tell you, it's a good thing. I mean, my answer also emanates from her answer. It's like this is a building which is going to be used every day, right from the first day of commissioning. Reiterate the background of this project once more. This is a project which is Mender and Ashton Mender answer, right? Who is that person? Is the individual favor?
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
Because your bank is going to do this, there will be people who are existing in this district. You find out of equipments here, AMCUs and other things. Then there is a lot of elements. See, I need an explanation from these fellows who are not present here. This is a master class for you, and this is like rather than your field, I would say. Okay.
Good evening, sir. Padmaja, sir. AP Wood Bama, sir. Assistant Manager, sir.
Okay.
Namaste, sir. I am Ravi Kumar, State Registrar, Road Officer, Corporate Departments.
Good. No. There is one more team with you. Don't forget that there is a Sainyam, army with you. Yeah, there is a village secretariat law, there is an animal husbandry assistant, there is a digital assistant. Yeah, there is a on the first day. I'll tell you one more story. There are fellows, I think last time I also told, there are fellows who made thousands of crores out of this business in this state. It should have actually gone to the farmers at a center of 3 or 4 villages for, as a milk chilling which you can store the milk for some time before it gets transported. This project is approved. 1 week back I was in Delhi, NCDC, the National Cooperative Development System, distribution and it is something like that. So you bring it there, you do the calibration and then you will test it once and then then and there. She will also get a printout of every milk collection into her. She will also have
Initiative, and in phase 1, sir, 108 villages have been identified as high potential areas, and majority of these villages lie in Arsrapeta division, and some parts are in Guntur. So routes have been identified from where, from the grassroots level, we'll collect the milk and we'll bring it to the AMCUs. From AMCUs, it will go to the BMCUs and all, and the entire supply chain mechanism ఏ విధంగా స్ట్రెంగ్థెన్ చేయాలి సార్ దానిపైన డిస్కషన్ జరిగింది. సో వాట్ కేమ్ అవుట్ of the discussion, sir, there are issues of identification of land, like 5 cent land is required for BMCUs, 831 BMCUs that we have identified, sir. Out of that already majority cases లో land identify చేయడం జరిగింది సార్. అలాగే AMCUs కూడా land has to be identified. Then ఈ పాలు సేకరణ society has to be formed, sir, for which beforehand we'll have a Gram Sabha in which all the office bearers and all would be elected, sir, and the society would be formed, and like we have this mentors we have appointed, sir, coordinators we have appointed. వాళ్ళందరికీ ఒక ట్రైనింగ్ ఇవ్వాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంది సార్, and with the amount will ensure whatever the model is there, sir, the like whatever payment model, online portal, quality thing, all those things, sir, we need to impart training, sir. So దానికి ఈ మీటింగ్ మనము ఏర్పాటు చేసాం సార్. I request Babu sir to speak.
Into the nitty-gritties of how this is going to be rolled out. Let us have a set of, first set of introduction. As you know, I am handling this project from the state level, special officer. Collector is the district level special officer, and we have a district core team who is going to spearhead this project. Recently, to see this project on a holistic manner. The RCS responsibility also has been given to him so that the cooperative department will also be engaged in this. As I told last time, this project will be 70% human management and 30% infra. Okay. So, how to get this done? Now there is like a, we have a coordinated system of implementing it. The government has also given the charge of AppCorp to me. In fact, that is to roll out the credit facilities for the farmers who are actually going to be part of this. So this is a unique model. We are following the Gujarat model, as you know. So a little bit of tweaking has been done to accommodate certain factors which are very specific to AP. So let me have an introduction first. I have introduced myself. Then I have from my office Praveena. She is my general manager. So she will be coordinating in terms of the field level issues at my office. We have Anand Babu. He is the additional registrar of cooperatives. So he will be looking after the how the cooperative department staff is going to work on this project. Then we have Ravi. He is my manager quality control. He is actually a technical person. So looking into the coordination with regard to how we are going to push our infra. In the coming 7 days, you will find every village getting the infra from our side. So the entire coordination will be done by Ravi and his team. And we are ready here. This is Mr. Reddy. He will actually, he is actually allotted for Guntur from my office. So we have allotted one team for each district from my office. So he will be dealing with the mentor and the route in charges from the cooperative department on a day-to-day regular basis. So when any instructions come from any of these people, it is like coming from me. Okay. And similarly, the same parallel mechanism is there in the district collector, then the divisional officers, joint collector development. He is key person looking at this on a day-to-day affair. Then we have the PD Doma, is he there? Yeah, PD DRDA, the SC Panchayat Raj. Yeah, now what about the DCO? Yeah, so DCO and his team is there. Now all these people are very important for each one of you because you will be doing multitude of activities in the coming days, which I will explain in that. And now, last but not the least, in fact the most important partner in this project is a team from Amul. In fact, we are following the SOPs of 70 years of Amul's experience in this project, and that has to be followed without any deviation. మనం ఊర్లో రకరకాల అలవాటు ఉంటుంది. So what we require is a change management to looking at the longevity of this project. So there is something called a short-term and long-term benefits from these projects. So as a mentor, as a route in charge, you should be in a position to talk to the farmers and to the field there of what are these SOPs and how it has to be followed from the first place. We will be explaining that. So Dr. Dabale is there from Sabar Milk Union. Last time you met Mr. M.N. Patel and Mr. Praveen Patel. I think Praveen Patel didn't come. M.N. Patel was there. So Dr. Dabale reports to them. They have done the recce. They have put around 5 people in this district. Initially we are starting with 108 villages and toll routes. So I request Dr. Dabale to introduce you.